So in this video, we will learn something about the modification of the spreadsheet. Suppose this is the spreadsheet which we have made. Now, if I want to move it across the screen, or I want to insert or delete any extra rows or columns, hide, unhide, all these few applications, how to modify this spreadsheet, we will learn. So suppose if I want to move this spreadsheet, this information into some other place of my Excel sheet, what I can do, I can simply select the piece of information. This is the information which I have selected. This is the information which I want to move somewhere. What I can do, I can use this thin plus symbol here, and I can use this to move it anywhere in my Excel sheet. Anywhere. I can again select this. I can again select this, and I can move it. Suppose I want to move it here. So this is done. This is done. So this is how you can easily you can move your information across the spreadsheet. Now, if you want to rename your spreadsheet, how you will rename it? So this is the sheet number 1 which has been shown. What you have to do, just go here, you double click it, Remember, you have to double click it. It will be editable. What I can do, I can just write sales quarter 1. I can write this, and now this is done. And if I want to make, or I want to add a different worksheet, a new worksheet, this is the plus symbol here. This is a plus symbol here. So you have to just click on this plus symbol, and then you will have another sheet here. I can rename it as sheet sales Q2. Remember, you have to just double click it. So you can just put sales Q2. That's how you can add the sheets. Again, if you want to add the third sheet, you can use this third sheet. Then you can use this fourth sheet. Any sheet you can add in this workbook, you can add it. Okay, this is how you can add it. Now, suppose I want to, suppose this is the information I have. Okay, and now I suppose want to insert another phone. Suppose I want to insert Nokia, the sale of Nokia in this. I want to insert it here. Now, what I have to do? So I want Vivo, Oppo, OnePlus, then Nokia. So how I will insert a row here? So it's very simple. There are 2-3 methods to do that. First method I will show you using the shortcut. How you have to do? Just press your Control, Shift and plus at the same time from the keyboard, and you see this is a row has been added. Remember one thing, that in row, whatever row you will select, the column or the row will be added one space above it. So if I wanted Vivo, Oppo, OnePlus and Nokia, so this is wrong. So for that you can simply press Ctrl and Z. Simply press Ctrl Z, or simply you can delete this row. You can select this row like this. From here, just have to click on the row number. I have just selected 8 and the whole row has been selected. And what you have to do, simply press Control, Shift, Control and minus. You do not have to press Shift while deleting the row. Now I have to I want to add this row after OnePlus. So what I have to do, again, just press Control, Shift and the plus icon from the keyboard. It's done. Now you can simply write Nokia here, and the sale for the Nokia, which is maybe 500 or 500, 300, then 800, whatever. You can use it by your choice, and you can simply copy this and paste it here. You will get all the sum, average, everything. You can simply copy this and you can paste here. You will get the percentage sales. Everything has been changed. See the spreadsheet, how it has been changed. All the counts have been changed to 6. The maximum has changed. The maximum, the minimum, the average. Every cell will be affected by the value. If suppose I will write 100 here, or 50 here, for example. See, the minimum value will be the minimum value will change to 50. So this is how you can insert the cell or delete the cell. Similarly, you can do it here also. So suppose I want to insert a column. So what I will press? Remember, Control, Shift and plus. This is done. Here also if I want to add something, what I will do? Simply Control, Shift and plus. Always to add, just remember, to add you have to press CTRL, Control plus, you have to plus shift, then you have to press plus. This thing you have to add. For subtract, to subtract the row or to remove the row, what we have to use? Simply CTRL and you have to press minus key. Minus key will be after 0 on your keyboard. Minus key. So suppose I have to delete this. What I will do? Control minus, deleted. Simply Control minus. This is the shortcut. So shortcut, I love actually shortcuts. Shortcuts are basically you will really love to use Excel if you can use the shortcut. So what is the shortcut of AutoSum? It's the exercise for you. It's simply Alter key plus equal to. So plus, wherever I am writing plus, this means you have to simultaneously press all these keys. So you have to press Control, Shift and plus button simultaneously. Here Alter and equal to. For example, I'll just delete this and I'll just show you. So you just have to press Alter key and equal to. Done. You will get the total. So this is the shortcut trick. Now suppose you want to do it manually. So you can also select this. You can just put your click on this 7 or whatever row number you want to add from. You just click it here and then you can just right click. Right click, it will show you option of insert. You can do it like this also. Similarly, suppose I want to insert a column after F. So what I will do, I'll just select this G column. I will press the right click and then I will select insert. I will get this. Again, you can also use the cells from here. It is also very good way. Suppose I want to have the row added after 9th row. So what I will do, I'll just select this and what I will do, I'll just go here, I'll insert, I'll just select the insert cells. This is done. So this is how you can use it. This is the basic instinct how you can add a row or a column or anything like you can do that. This is very simple to add or to insert a row, insert a column, delete a row or delete a column. It's very simple. Now you also know how to rename the worksheets and how you can get the additional worksheets. Also you know how you can move this data from one place to another. I also can copy this data and I can use it in the next sheet. Suppose I select this and I will press Ctrl C. I will copy this. I'll go to sales Q2 section and then I can also press Ctrl V here, which is paste, and I'm done. This is you can use it here. Sometimes what would happen? Suppose I press Ctrl C here. I copy this cell here, spreadsheet or information, and I Control V. I press it. Sometimes what happens while doing this copy paste and all, sometimes it may happen that these cells might not get realigned, or it might happen when you zoom in or zoom out your spreadsheet. Suppose I will zoom out. Suppose I'll zoom out. Something like this. Something like this. I zoom out. So what happens in this case? Suppose this, you can see this hash, these hashes. So many a times it can happen, like when you, mostly it happens when you take a piece of information from one sheet, paste into the second sheet, or you zoom in or zoom out your window. It might happen that some places it will show your hash hash kind of numbers. What is this telling you? That the cells are not that aligned. The cells are not that aligned. The number or the text which is written inside the cell is larger than the size of the cell. So in this case, what you will have to do, you will have to increase the cell size to incorporate the text or the number. So in that case, what you can do, you can simply go to this between margin, like F and G. Between F and G, you go and you can simply double click here, and it will come up. Simply from between O and P, this demarcation is there. You just go here and just do the double click. Also, suppose this is the width has increased to more. I don't want this kind of, I want nominal width. So in that case, what you can do, you can simply select the cells. Okay, you can simply select it and you can double click on any one of the demarcation. What it will do, it will auto fit all the numbers on the text like this. All the text and all the numbers have been auto fit. You can also do it like this. All the text, all the numbers have been auto fit. Now this is the final table which you will get. This is the final table. Again, what you see here the total. Here the total is held at extreme right. What you can do is just simply go into this demarcation, double double click it. Nothing is happening. Nothing is happening. So how to change this? How to use this? What you can do, just simply go here. You can press a left key and you can change this size. You see here. This is how you can reduce the size of the cell. You can further reduce it like this. Here also you can further reduce it. Again, it is reduced much more. So you can right click it, or in case if you don't want to right click it, so I do it like this. And what I can also press the left key and left button of my mouse, and then I can also extend it to my wish. I want to extend it till here. But still, it's not showing. I'll have to extend it more. This is how it can be done. The major here in this case, the auto fit thing which I had told you, this auto fit thing is the basic. It's a auto fit. The Excel will give you this auto fit. According to Excel, this will be the better view, the better viewed spreadsheet. But you can also change the width or increase the width, whatever you want, by using these demarcations here. You can simply do this. You want to change this to furthermore, you can do this. You want to align it, to center, you can do that. To fit the width and numbers and all those things, you can simply do this. It's very simple. So this is how you can modify your spreadsheet. So that's it for the video. Thank you.